Create stylish and durable nails at home with Builder Gel, which hardens more than regular gel polishes to protect and enhance your nails. Before applying Builder Gel, buff your nails and use nail primer for better adhesion. Apply a thin layer of Builder Gel as a base coat and cure it under an LED or UV lamp. Consider using nail forms or tips for added length. To achieve a smooth surface, start applying a coat by dabbing some Builder Gel onto your nail with a brush and moving the brush in a gentle motion from the cuticle to the tip. Focus your application of the gel so it's slightly thicker near the middle of your nail. After you've added a coat of Builder Gel to all of your nails, continue spreading it until you're happy with the shape and thickness. Then cure them using an LED lamp for 60 seconds or a UV lamp for around 2 minutes. Remember to remove the tacky top film of the Builder Gel with an alcohol pad after curing, and refine any rough edges with a nail file. Finish with a top coat for a natural polished look, or go for a gel nail polish to add color on top of the Builder Gel, which focuses on improving your nail's strength and durability.